a biomedical project, or it can be used for many purposes. Here there is a temperature what we find. This is a transmitter. It transmits some temperature data over a RF network. This is particularly used in hospitals where a temperature of the patient, a body temperature, will be transmitted to the doctor who is away in the system at a distance late. And this is that where we have a receiver, and this being the transmitter, this being the transmitter, and this being the receiver. And here what we see is whatever temperature is being displayed here, the same temperature is appearing there. And this is the temperature sensor. This temperature sensor with a pin arrangement would come to the wrist of the patient, so that it takes the body temperature. Presently it is showing the room temperature. And this room temperature at the moment is 27, and we can find the receiver side also the temperature is 27. Now if this temperature increases here, an RF way it will transmit to the other end, and the temperature will also increase there. To see that, what we can do is, I will just warm my finger a little, and then I touch on this sensor and see how much the temperature is increasing here. Now this temperature goes on from 28 to 29 to maybe it might go to still higher to go to 30, and after about a couple of minutes, about a half a minute or a minute so, what you can notice that there also this temperature will change. We just wait there and see, now it has gone to 31, that also has gone to 31. So this is the way. This can also have another parameter like heartbeat, and the heartbeat can also come in the second line, and the heartbeat can also be there. All that we have to do, we have to put a heartbeat sensor connected to this device, which will also transmit the heartbeat. Another advantage of this also, of course, if there is an alarming situation of the patient here, it can also sound a buzzer at the receiving end, so that the doctor's attention is attracted from the buzzer sound.